Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and with fall just around the corner, today I'm sharing with you guys this easy DIY using a couple of things from the Dollar Tree, a few things I had on hand, and it was inspired by the sign I spotted at Big Lots as part of their fall 2018 home decor, and this one costs a fraction of the price. I think this Dollar Tree knockoff is very cute and reminds me a lot of the Cost Plus sign that started this trend. Now let's get into what you'll need for this DIY. The first thing you'll need is a frame. Now this is a little picture that I picked up over the summer at a Dollar Tree on vacation. They have these out in a few different versions, but basically it's a picture frame with the glass glued on into the corners and no backing. So remember, you can also use a regular frame if you can't find that. Now you're going to need text. I had this sign and realized I could spell out the word pie, just altering it a little. I also have some wooden text on hand from a DIY at Christmas that I'm going to reuse. And make sure you have some paint on hand, especially if you're going to hand paint your version or you need to paint your alphas. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and clear off our workspace and get ready to paint our alphas. Now I'm spelling out pumpkin pie. You could spell out homemade pie or fresh baked. I'm just using some black spray paint that I already had on hand, giving them a quick coat of black paint, leaving them outdoors to dry while we head inside and get started on the rest of our sign. Now when I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, and this is the first chance I've gotten to really look at the letters and try and figure out how to remove them. First, I tried a handy dandy razor blade, and it was a bit tedious, so I realized very quickly that I needed another method, and I went straight to my nail polish remover. That and a little bit of cotton, and voila, our text is all gone. If you're using a plain frame, you can skip this step altogether and just make sure your glass is glued into the corners of your frame. Now I'm going to move on to cutting out the letters from the sign that I will be using, the P, the L, as well as the E. So I just gave the L a quick little snip and made it right into the letter I. Now this is a sign from the Dollar Tree, but you could use any kind of stickers or text. You could even hand paint them. Now I did trim around these letters before I put them onto the glass, just to get rid of any extra parts of the sticker. Once you have the word pie done, it's time to go ahead and move on to attaching your alphas for the word pumpkin at the top. Now I decided I wanted a slight curve to the word, so I just played around with the placement until I got it the way I wanted it. Then I used my hot glue gun to attach these letters directly to the front of the glass, just being careful of my placement. Now I definitely wanted the farmhouse window look, so I'm not putting anything behind this sign. It is just that simple. I love my new piece of fall farmhouse decor, and I can't wait to use it in my home. With fall just around the corner, I will be enjoying this sign in no time at all. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I turned a couple of things from the Dollar Tree into a piece of fall farmhouse home decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all back very soon in the next one.